Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is polynomials, and we are continuing the same exercise, that is 2.5. In exercise 2.5 we are supposed to try today question number 7. In question number 7 we are supposed to evaluate in the first part 99 cube by using the identity. For cube, first of all we are supposed to split into two parts, that is 100 minus 1, that is 99 whole cube. Now we should know the formula, that is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. If in place of plus here it is minus, then a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That will be the formula for minus as well as for plus. So you are supposed to keep in mind, if plus is there then all signs are plus, if minus is there then there will be minus in those terms where the powers of b are odd. यहाँ पे 3 है पावर, तो यहाँ पे माइनस, यहाँ पे पावर 1 है then it is minus, यहाँ पे पावर b की 2 है, that is even, so here it will be plus. So we are supposed to keep in our mind. So here we are supposed to use that second formula, that is the minus 1. So here we will write, we know that, what we know, the same formula, that is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we are supposed to substitute the values of a 100 and b 1 in this formula on the both side, on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. On the left hand side it will be 100 minus 1 whole cube, and here a is 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. So from here we got 99 cube that we have to calculate. Now on the right hand side we will calculate. Cube means that will be 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. So we will place the commas also, that will be easy to calculate. Minus 1, now here minus 3 into 1 3. Now how many zeros will be there? 1 2 3 4. Why? Because there is a square, means 2 plus 2. So we will place the comma here as well. Plus 300. So first of all we will add the like terms, that is the plus terms. So 99 cube will be 1000, that is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs 300, 10 lakhs 300 minus, both are minus, means how much minus we have to do? 30,001. So we can subtract 10 lakh 300 minus 30,001. If we subtract, we will get here 9920. Here we will get 7 and here we will get 9. So 9702999 will be the answer here. So answer will be 99 cube will be 970299. So without actually multiplying 99 3 times, we calculated the answer, that is 99 cube will be 970299. Like this we are supposed to proceed the questions given in this exercise. At the same time we will take one more part. That is part second, and in second we are supposed to calculate 102 whole cube. 102 whole cube. So we can write 102 in the form of 100 plus 2 whole cube. Then we are supposed to select the identity. We are having the plus, so we will select this one. So afterwards we will write, we know what we know, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now in place of a, here it is 100, in place of b, here it is 2. We are supposed to substitute on both the sides. So this side we will get 100 plus 2 cube, and here we will get 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square. So we will calculate 100 plus 2, that is 102 cube, that we have to calculate, and we will calculate on the right hand side. Again 6 zeros will be there. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 raised to power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 3 into 10,000 into 3 to the 6, we can write directly here 6, then plus 3 into 100, 300 into 2 to the 4. So we will get here 102 cube is equals to 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 60,000 plus 3 4 is 12, 1,200. So all the quantities are in same sign, that is plus. So we will add them all. So 10 lakhs, 60,000 and 61,208. So 10 lakh 60 plus 1, 61,000, and then 208 will be the answer. I think so. That will be the correct answer. So like this we can find the cubes of the numbers without actually multiplying them. I hope that you have understood the method, how to proceed such type of questions. We are supposed to keep in mind these two formulas. These two formulas can be arranged a plus b whole cube. So if you forget the formula, then a plus b whole cube can be written as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Then you can multiply. Suppose a, first of all we can multiply these two brackets. By multiplying these two brackets we will find a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then one more bracket is there, a plus b. Then first of all we will multiply with a into a square, a cube, a into b square, ab square, a into ab square, 2a square b. Now by b we have to multiply, that a square b plus b cube plus 2ab square. Then we can collect the terms here, a cube plus b cube plus 2a square b, and here a square b. 2a square b plus a square b is 3a square b plus 2ab square plus ab square, 3ab square. So if we forgot something, then we can obtain that formula by actually multiplying. So you are not supposed to be confused in the formula. First of all, you should try to learn. If unable to learn, then you can multiply that and you can use whenever required in the question. I hope that now you can solve the questions given in this exercise, that is exercise 2.5, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. If you are having any problem and if you are having any doubts, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubts so that you can easily proceed the questions given in your textbook. Thank you very much.